I can fairly say that that the 8th day was the very worst day for the defense panel, for the DDS senators, and especially for Vice President Sara Duterte. The 8th day was characterized by Pia Cayetano na nagkakalat at halatang lutang na lutang. Madam, what happened to you? Baka hypo kayo. Baka yung sinasabi nyo na bangag. You acted so much bangag, Madam Senator. At ganun rin si Binluan, na gumawa ng mga tanong-tanong, nag-i-inject ng mga issue, ng mga intriga. Pagkatapos kung yung sagot ay nakakatama sa kanila, binabawi niya. Sabi niya, pwede ba natin tanggalin yan sa record? Sabi ni Jinky Luis, ikaw nagtanong Kababuhan mo yan, nagtanong ka pa. Nagtanong ka pa, nag-introduce ka pa ganyang klaseng tanong. Kung sinagot ka ay at nagamit yung tanong mo laban sa'yo, laban kay Sara, laban sa depensa, iyak ka at humihingi ka na pwede ba natin tanggalin yan? Stricken off the record. At yan si Attorney Binluan. At ito naman si Alan Peter Cayetano naging childish, gumawa ng 6-7 na gesture kay Matibag, pero nung nagsalita na siya, conciliatory naman siya, 6-7. Siyempre napatanong ko tungkol yung anak ko, ano ba yan? Yung pala parang nonsensical sign ng mga kabataan ngayon at ng mga millennials, at pwede rin tumin na mediocre. Kumbaga wala kang hindi ka magaling, pangit yung performance mo. 6 out of 7. Pero binawi naman niya, sabi niya, anyway, makikita pa rin tayo kung investigahan mo na ako. So halatang halata. Tama talaga yung analysis natin na kinapon nila Sherwin Gatchalian at nila Chis Escudero at nila Erwin Tulfo itong si Alan Peter Cayetano nung sinabi nila na doon na tayo sa open session i-discuss itong mga unrelated issues. Pero yun lang, itong lutang na si Pia Cayetano, na isaksak pa rin yung issue ng atake daw ng NBI. Buti hindi siya pinatulan ng mga kasamahan niya. Nagmakaawa pa siya. Sabi niya, gusto nyo ba panoorin natin ang video? Deadma. Deadma ang majority, deadma ang minority. Kasi kung isa lang tumayo doon, sige, gusto ko makita yung video. So ipapakita niya yung umaatake na daw NBI sa Senado. Related ba yan? Mabait lang sa kanya si Chis Escudero, pero hindi na yan related sa impeachment May panahon rin yan. Lalo na kung nakaharap na si Alan sa korte sa kasong obstruction of justice. Baka pati si Pia kakasuhan rin ng obstruction of justice. At si Robin Padilla. Ayun, dito rin si Robin, nagkalat naman kahapon. Sa pinipilit na sirain yung affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas. Buti sinira siya giniba siya ni Jinky Luistro at sa tanong ni Risa Ontiveros na sinabi hindi naman not necessarily sa tanong kay Melvin Matibag, sabi ni Melvin hindi necessary na nagbabaliktad-baliktad kasi statement mo, hindi ka na kapanipaniwala, hindi na pwede sabihin sinungaling ka, dahil pwede natakot ka, pwede na impluwensyahan ka ng pera, pwede may hinahabol ka o nagsisipsip ka sa tao na kung saan may ginawa kang pahayag, ganun. So not necessarily na pwede na i-discredit yung witness na nag-iba-iba sa testimony niya. So durog. Pero hindi na natin ipe-play yan kay Robin. Sisikat pa yan. Baka tataas bang rating yan. Pero alam naman lahat, nagkalat rin si Robin kapon. Meron tayo separate vlog dyan. Unahin muna natin itong kay Pia Cayetano. Kung hindi nyo napanood ito, nakakatuwa. Lahat nagulat, pati ako. Pero nung pinapakinggan ko sa earphone ko, yung kay Pia, sabi ko, layo na. Where is she going? Where is she heading? Akala ko gigibain niya si Matibag sa issue ng report nila sa investigation kay Sara. Pero pinakinggan ko yung meeting sa isang reporter, may instruction sa isang reporter, yung pala she was bringing back the issue ng atake kuno sa Senado kung baka hindi pa siya nakaka-move on doon. Ang layo. So sa tingin ko wala na. She's losing it na talaga. She might be a lawyer but she's losing it. Parang baka na kuan ito baka na depress ito, na under depression. Mukhang under depression kaya nagmamanifest sa di ba yung Tuesday, hindi niya tinuloy yung kuan niya, yung pagtatanong niya dahil hindi nabigyan sa kanya ng note ng staff niya. Lawyer ka, dapat memorize mo na yung mga legal maxim, mga legal jurisprudence na yan. Lawyer ka Sabi niya, hindi na ako magtatanong dahil hindi ako nabigyan ng note ng staff ko. Ang tagal, pinaantay niya tayo para lang iabot sa kanya ng staff niya. Ha? Kahapon wars, nagkalat. Ni-raise yung issue ng atake sa Senado. Not remotely. Really, parang nasa ibang mundo si Pia Cayetano kahapon. Parang tayo nasa Earth, siya parang nasa Pluto. Siya parang nasa Saturn. Nasa ibang planeta. She's in another world. Another world, ibang mundo. Ibang mundo. Panoorin nyo.
Sir, nung May 13, you're recorded as saying, katunayan, nakiusap nga po ako kay John Consulta na puntahan kami dito sa Sequoia Hotel dahil meron po kaming planning mula po pa kaninang umaga. You went on to say, nandun ka with all the deputy directors, etc. Do you confirm?
Well, nakausap ko po si John Consulta.
No, just confirm, sir. Did you say
Yes,
that na nandun kayo sa Sequoia? Ngayon lang, yung statement.
Haba po kasi yung statement niya.
I just need you to confirm, did you say that you were in Sequoia?
Yes, I talked to...
Thank you.
So
you are confirming? Okay.
Yes po.
Bastos.
And then later on, dinagdag nyo, wala kami...
The same thing, babae naman ito si Pia noon Pero naging bastos na talaga Sandali pasensya na. Medyo tuloy-tuloy na lang. Huwag na tayo mag-interrupt para... Sige, later na tayo commentary.
Yes. Sir, dahil meron po kaming planning mula po pa kaninang umaga. You went on to say, nandun ka with all the deputy directors, etc. Do you confirm?
Well, nakausap ko po si John Consulta.
No, just confirm, sir. Did you say
Yes,
that
I talked
nandun
to...
kayo sa Sequoia? Ngayon lang, statement.
Haba po kasi yung statement niya.
I just need you to confirm, did you say that you were in Sequoia?
Yes, I talked to...
Thank you.
To
So you are confirming? Okay.
Yes po.
And then later on, dinagdag nyo, wala kami sa Senado, we are on stand down because that's the instructions. Did you also say that?
Yes po.
Thank you. Meanwhile, in another interview, you then said,
Dali.
mayroon request si GM Veloso to help them secure the area kasi napapansin nila na magulo, labas-pasok. Nagpadala kaming ilan lang na ahente, parang 4 to 6 na tao, na nag-iikot sa premises ng GIS. Hindi pumasok sa Senado. I am quoting inquiry dated 13 May 2026. Did you say this?
Yes, sa GSIS po.
Okay, thank you. So, I asked now for the kind indulgence. May papa-flash lang ako. It's just a photo, dear colleagues, both parties. Paki-flash lang. So sabi nyo nasa GSIS. You confirm na nasa GSIS yung ahente mo.
Tagal sayang oras. Pati yung staff nakakahetot-hetot sa kwan kasi hindi nga nila prepared para ipakita yung mga ganyan Lahat ng video related sa impeachment. Ang layo Sayang oras. Wasting our taxpayers' money.
Pwede magpa-update sa technical. What's going on? It's just a photo.
Pinagalitan na naman yung technical. Yung staff niya, malata, takot na sa kanya.
I'm just showing the Senate website for the record. Senate website. Tapos po, nandito po sa right corner. Can you read it, sir? It says contact information. Can you read it?
Hindi ko po
Okay, paabot ko sa page. Yung same thing. It is just the Senate website. Page, pakiabot. Thank you. Pakibasa lang po yung address ng Senado.
Contact information, GSIS Building, JW Jokno Building, Pasay City, 1300 Metro Manila, 632-855.
Okay na po yung phone number, no need.
Opo.
So pakiulit, anong building?
GSIS Building.
Opo, kasi nag-iisa lang naman ho ang address namin. Umuupa po kami dito sa GSIS. Iisang building lang po yun. And for the record, kung saan nakita yung tao mo, likod lang po yun ng office ni Senator Loren Legarda. Nasa video po yun. I will not bother everyone with that. Kung gusto nyo, presiding officer, I can, but for now, I won't. Kasama po yun sa area na inuupahan ng Senado sa GSIS. We are paying rent for the information of all. So yan po ang gusto ko lang ma-establish. It seems kasi po na you swore an oath, no, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Thank you very much. So, ang sa kaalaman po ng ating mga nanunood at masigasig na taga-subaybay mga kababayan natin, Rule 133 on the weight and sufficiency of evidence. Sabi sa Section 1, preponderance of evidence in determining where the preponderance or superior weight of evidence on the issues involved lies, the court may consider all the facts and circumstances of the case, the witness's manner of testifying, their intelligence, and also their personal credibility. Furthermore, in Section 11 of Rule 132, a witness may be impeached by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad. So, nag-ring na yung bell. I will be loyal. You follow this na lang. Pero may record pa sana akong papakita. If the body wants, I will show the video na sinabi din po ni NBI Director ng interview, wala pong nasaktan, wala pong nangbugbog. But we have a video. Alam po ng lahat ng mga kasamahan natin na yung OSAA, yung aming pong personnel, binugbog. May video po tayo niyan. I leave it to the body. I leave it to the presiding officer if we want to take up the time of this court to show that. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pia Cayetano. Senator Judge
Wala. Hindi siya pinatulan ni Cheese Escudero. Sabi niya, mga kasamahan, kung gusto nyo manood, please na, sabihin nyo, gusto nyo manood. Wala. Detma. Sabi niya, sige, go home na lang ako, pass the paper, go home na lang ako. Ay, grabe ka, Pia. This could be your worst performance ever. Ang layo niyan. Ang layo niyan, Pia. Ha? Tuloy, kulang na lang mag-8-8 ito si Alan Cayetano eh. Tuloy, napa-research ako kung ano ba yan.
manifestation.
First of all,
Kung ano ba yan, 6-7 na yan eh. Yung pala, kuwan pala yan, yung parang nonsensical mga sinasabi ng mga kabataan ngayon or pina-flash yung ganun yung mga kabataan. Yung pala yun eh. Pero mo, senator ka, the whole nation is watching you. Millions of people are watching you. Millions of pesos are being wasted sa impeachment, sa oras ng impeachment. It's important, pero dapat wala nang extracurricular issues tulad kay Pia. Pero ito, isipin mo, sa impeachment, introduce mo yung 6-7, sumayaw ka na lang sana dyan ng 8-8. Pero yun, pinakita rin niya na duwag siya. Bahagbuntot siya kaya Matibag, as we already predicted in our blog the other day na bibigay siya kay Matibag. Hindi na niya binastos si Matibag. In-explain na lang niya kung anong sa I-7. Kayo, alam niyo na ba kung anong sa I-7? Parang magkapatid yan ng 8-8.
to the NBI director, he looked at me when I smiled a while ago. I wasn't laughing at you or anyone. Nung sinabi mo lang 6-7 kasi, yung or 7-6, mga pamangkin ko, basta sinabing 6-7, nagtatawanan na.
Hindi ko po.
I hope you weren't. Yung iba kasi hindi, baka akala ko anong ibig sabihin, and we're on TV. So, we can be on opposite sides, but we can be very professional, di ba? So, the second manifestation, Mr.
Parang bata, 6-7, ganun pala yun. Jejemon, punta ka na lang doon, mag-Jejemon ka sa Kwan. Saan ba yun? Sa Taguig or Kwan? Yung marami nagkukumpul-kumpul ng mga Jejemon.
President and Honorable Presiding Officer, much has been said about technicalities, humahaba to, may mga relevant, irrelevant. So I just want the prosecution and defense to know, because we're gonna go on a short break. Short lang naman, SONA sa Monday kontra SONA sa Tuesday, makikita tayo sa Wednesday. Both sides, you're doing a good job. Both sides. I mean, the prosecution, your job is to prosecute, and the defense, your job is to defend. The onus is on us. May tinatawag na defense senator judge, may tinatawag na prosecution senator judge. Wala pa akong impeachment dito na hindi nangyari yan. Di ba? Ang importante, hindi lang yung resulta, but yung proseso. And I always say, democracy is messy. You want a dictatorship, it's less messy, but it's a dictatorship. May problema. You want a democracy, it's not. Di ba? Having said that, I have a lot of questions, but I want to show Senator Raffy Tulfo some good faith, because he always shows me good faith when we're in the lounge. Hindi ko na itatanong today, since I think in the next few weeks, madalas naman kami magkikita ni Director Matibag dahil marami siyang iniimbestigahan na kasama ko doon. So I'll be seeing you, Mr. Director. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano.
Natawa na lang si Cheese eh. What's the point? What's the point of you rising up? Para sabihan lang? Para mapag-google lang si VAT kung ano ba yan sa 6767, yung ganon-ganon? Naging bata na ba tayo? Gagasta tayo ng milyon-milyon para alamin lang kung anong 6767, kung anong ibig sabihin kung gaganunin ka ng mga Jejemon. What a waste of time, and talaga they are really losing their head. their collective heads. Kaya buti na lang, may break. Magpakita muna kayo sa psychiatrist. O kaya mag-kwan kayo, mag-meditation kayo. O kaya magmuni-muni muna kayo, mag-spa, mag-travel abroad. Di ba? Or see a psychiatrist. That's the best thing to do. Ito rin, si Binluan. Nag-introduce ng topic and then binawi. Ano yan? Laban bawi? Ikaw nagtanong nung sinagot ka at nasemplang ka sa tanong mo, ngayon babawiin mo. So yan talaga. Whom the gods wish to destroy, they first make mad. Gawin mo na loko-loko. Ha? Ito. Siguro baka apektado siya. Sinabi ni Judge and former NBI Chief Jaime Santiago, kung ako yan, pupukpukin ko yan ng gable. Kung akong judge dyan. Baka takot siya. Baka kung nasa ibang lugar siya, baka bigla na lang tatamaan siya dito between the eyes. Kasi ganyan magaling ang dating sniper na si Judge and former NBI Director, now Law Professor Jaime Santiago. Panoorin niyo to.
You admit nonetheless that betrayal of public trust is a ground for impeachment, correct?
That is correct. I think it's in the Constitution.
And are you saying that once you reach your findings, because we're all waiting for that, is it correct to say that you will file another impeachment case against VP Sara?
Oh, thank you for that question. So that I
Objection, Your
can-
Honor. That is speculative.
I think the witness is competent enough, and in fact, thank the counsel for his question. I'm interested to hear what the witness will also answer.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. The betrayal of public trust as the issue in the impeachment court. We don't need to investigate even if we pinpointed the person contracted. Because the point being is the betrayal of public trust was already been consummated. When she publicly admitted, there is already an admission that she contracted a killer, a mamamatay tao or assassin, to kill the president. And that itself is already an admission. At
Umiiyak na si attorney. Kasi nagpasalamat pa sa kanya, hinintay na. Alam ni Matibag, natatanungin siya ng ganun at alam na niya kung anong sagot niya. O, umiiyak na si attorney kasi in-explain na ni Matibag, talagang guilty si Sara sa betrayal of public trust. Lahat ng elemento doon. Kaya umiihi na sa pantalon si attorney.
Kanya, pumayag na yung kinausap kong mamamatay tao. That constitutes betrayal of public trust. Why? Because the oath of office of the president, sabi niya, she will execute the law and do justice to every man. So, pag nagbalak kang pumatay at ginawa mo yan, that is no justice to every man. It's not execute the law. Execute the president yung gusto mong gawin
Your
siya.
Honor, with all due respect, Your Honor, I know that NBA Director took pains in explaining his answer, but his answer already contains conclusions of fact and law. And maybe ask Your Honor.
May I respond, Your
I'm
Honor?
not yet done. In keeping, Your Honor, with this court's ruling last week, maybe ask Your Honor that it be stricken off the record, Your Honor. My answer was pretty simple.
Counsel for
Okay.
rather the lead
My
prosecutor.
question was pretty simple.
Your Honor, ang depensa po ang nagtanong kung mapapatunayan na nag-commit ng betrayal of public trust, kung sasampahan pa ng impeachment, ulit. At sinasagot lamang po ng testigo, consummated na ang betrayal of public trust dahil may kausap ng tao na pumayag na to
Inulit-
execute the President, the First Lady, and the former.
Inulit pa si ni Jinky yung sinabi ni Matibag. Kaya buti na lang itong kay Binluan, wala si Sara Duterte. At least hindi siya matapunan ng laptop at tablet.
Speaker.
That's precisely the ground for our motion, Your Honor. Can we get the ruling?
The motion to strike off is denied. Let the answer of the witness remain in the records. That was his answer, counsel. However, interpretative it may seem with respect to the law, since the witness was qualified yesterday as not only being the NBI director, but also engaged in the legal profession for decades and is in fact a former law dean. Let that remain in the records for the consideration of the senator judges. You may proceed, counsel.
Aray, ikaw nagtanong, sinagot ka sa tanong na pinagsalamatan ka pa ni Melvin Matibag. Thank you sa pagtatanong mo yan. At itong sagot ko, dudurugin kita. Ayun, umiyak na, kumakan na. Iyak na si Attorning, si Attorning. So, yan, nakikita nyo, comedy of errors. Comedy of errors sila on the 8th day. Swerte sila. Kung sa boxing ito, nasa corner ka na, natumba ka na, buti na lang nag-bell. Buti na lang nag-bell.